The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to redefine what we know about flagship smartphones, but today we're diving deep into its power, design, and future performance. If you've been keeping an eye on leaks and rumors, you know that Samsung is taking a bold step by switching to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for its Galaxy S25 series, specifically an overclocked variant tailored for Galaxy devices. This isn't just another chipset, this is the performance powerhouse that will fuel the Galaxy S25 Ultra, promising impressive results that may very well redefine mobile processing speeds. While Samsung typically opts for its own Exynos chips in international models, a low yield on the 3-in Exynos 2500 meant the switch to Snapdragon was inevitable for the S25 series. This could be great news for Snapdragon enthusiasts, as the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy is an overclocked version of the regular Snapdragon 8 Elite, running at a blistering 4.47 GHz for its prime cores, slightly higher than the 4.32 GHz of the regular variant. In practical terms, this means the S25 Ultra will have the edge when it comes to performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running intensive apps. Geekbench results have already confirmed that the S25 Ultra will blow previous Galaxy devices out of the water with scores of 3,049 in single-core and 9,793 in multi-core tests. And let's not forget that this beast of a device will have up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth performance even with the most demanding tasks. Beyond sheer power, the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is receiving attention for all the right reasons. It's a major leap forward from its predecessors, with a sleek, flat edge frame reminiscent of the iPhone but made more ergonomic with slightly rounded corners for a better grip. But the standout feature here, the stunning display. Samsung has taken it to the next level. The S25 Ultra will likely come with a jaw-dropping 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED display that could achieve an eye-popping 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Yes, you read that right, minus 3,000 nits, making it one of the brightest screens ever seen on a smartphone, perfect for outdoor use even in direct sunlight. Combined with second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor Glass, it's clear that durability and visibility are top priorities for Samsung with this flagship. Now the question that everyone is asking, what about the camera? Well, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to become a photography powerhouse. Early leaks reveal that the device will feature a 5-lens camera system that brings together both Sony and Samsung's cutting-edge sensors. Expect a primary 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP2 sensor, capable of stunning detail and clarity, paired with an upgraded 50MP ultra-wide lens and a set of telephoto lenses that take zoom to a whole new level. The ultra-zoom capabilities could include a periscope lens capable of 5x optical zoom, ensuring that you can capture every detail from miles away. And of course, the front-facing camera won't disappoint, offering a 12MP shooter for crisp selfies. It doesn't stop there. Samsung is rumored to be introducing a car crash detection sensor in the S25 series. This could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra not only one of the most advanced smartphones of 2025, but also a life-saving tool in certain situations. The sensor, which would be similar to Google's Pixel 8 and Apple's iPhone 14 features, uses motion sensors and AI to detect car accidents. While we don't know if it will be activated at launch, this could mark a major step forward in smartphone safety. And as if that weren't enough, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is also rumored to support MagSafe charging, something Apple fans have long enjoyed. Pre-orders are already underway for accessories that will unlock this feature, adding even more convenience to an already feature-packed device. All of this performance, design, and innovation isn't without a price tag, though. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's starting price could be higher than we've seen in previous years, thanks to increased production costs and enhanced features. While rumors suggest Samsung may offer pre-order perks, like discounts and enhanced trade-in values, it's likely that the final price will reflect the next-generation technology packed into this device. With the official launch date for the Galaxy S25 series set for February 7, 2025, we're mere weeks away from what is shaping up to be the most exciting Samsung release in years. The anticipation is palpable, and it's clear that Samsung is making a bold statement with the S25 Ultra. But the real question is, will the S25 Ultra live up to the hype? Will the camera system be as powerful as rumored? Will the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy truly set new benchmarks for mobile performance? We can't wait to find out. Be sure to stay tuned as we continue to cover every leak and reveal in the lead-up to the launch. And remember, if you're excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its incredible features, hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest updates. You won't want to miss what's coming next.